that's it. I wanna go home now. I want to have a cup of coffee. It is now 5 o'clock. Now I'm preparing my coffee again. Good morning, guys. Almost 9 o'clock. I am preparing my meal. Yeah, this is just tomato and onion, and it's going to be this century tuna, hot and spicy, and I actually have some more in here. Yeah. This is some kind of relief goods. Yeah, I said thank you very much. They also gave me some of their leftover food, Filipino food, delicious. Garbage, I will throw that later. It is already 3:22. I actually just pick up this from outside, already dry. I will pull that later. Yeah, I was just in my computer editing the video, and now I am tempted to go outside to eat fried rice in that Chinese restaurant, because in here I have just this rice and I don't have much anything in here. I have sardines, and also I don't have any more food inside the fridge. I already finished the food that Kuya Tony gave me. No, Kuya Noel. Yeah, Kuya Noel. Noel or Tony? I forgot. Okay, we're going to eat in the Chinese restaurant, but we still need to get money from the ATM machine, because this restaurant is just accepting cash. Oh, actually I changed my mind. Maybe they have fried rice in this other restaurant. Okay, they actually don't have fried rice. Yeah, I'm supposed to eat there. Nice weather today. Good for the people who love to stay in the beach. Yeah, because it is sunny, and yeah, the temperature is just right. Maybe 23, 24 something. Okay, we sit here and we eat this. And if you're going to sit here, you need to check up there. Sometimes there are birds that are pooping just like that, just like this. And this is how beautiful it is at the moment. Oh, look at this. There is one green worm. And you know, I found it in my ear. Yeah, I feel that something is moving on my ears, but my earphone is plugged in like this, so I touch it, and yeah, when I see it, it's this worm. Dangerous. Yeah, imagine if you feel it already inside. That's very bad. And look at this just dropped coming from up there. And you know, I received money this time. Just now I see it. Yeah, thank you, Mrs. Rachel or Miss Rachel. I appreciate. She said, sorry for the trouble you've been having. We hope you'll be a bit less nice people. Take care. That's it. We're going home now, because like what I've said, I'm still catching up with the videos that I needed to edit and upload. Rescue from afar, after all that we've been through, all the standing me and you, this is meant to be, forever you and me, after all. Okay, we're just going to buy something from the grocery. I don't know yet, maybe egg. Okay, we're going to take one of these. According to the comments, that pine orange is delicious, and we're going to try this. This is just $1. Regular price is 130. Creamy cheese and chicken sweet corn. We try this one. We are also going to take one of this Siopaw pork bun. This is just $3.50. Regular price is $5. Okay, we got home. Yeah, and then I continue my video editing. It is already 5:17. It is already 7 o'clock. I am hungry already. Yeah, that meat pie that I eat is not enough. I am craving for rice. I'm going to reheat it. Oh, just now I realized that I forgot to get egg. Somehow I still have one in here. Oh, I'm not going to follow the recipe of this. Instead, I'm going to cook it here with some egg and some other vegetable. The frozen one. And that is how it looks. Some of this frozen vegetable. Good morning, world. Yo, good morning, guys. Yeah, this is how it is today. It's already 7:45. Yeah, and today is the second day of my vacation leave. Yeah, and I'm actually planning to go to bikepacking, bike travel. Yeah, I want to use this to travel using my bike. And I'm going to get the bike to put it in here and organize it. Actually, no, not this time. I'm hungry and I'm going to eat this. This honeydew. And honeydew is one of the usual fruits that you're going to see all the time. The same like a watermelon, a melon. Yeah, this is available any time of the year. The same like banana, always available. Compared to mango and other fruits, yeah, this one is always available in the market. You will always see this in the grocery, hotel, restaurants. Nice, sweet. It is now 1:30. And these are the things that I'm going to use for my bike travel. But I am now hungry. Very delicious. Yeah, I don't know where is that taste coming from, but it's really very delicious. Oh, I saw in the internet this morning that there is now Filipino products in Woolworths, particularly in the city area. Oh, nice. Yeah, tastes like a combination of orange and pineapple. Hopefully, I'll be leaving tomorrow for bikepacking. Yeah. And now I'm hungry. I'm going to put some water in here. And we're going to make this frozen Siopaw. Yeah, this the one. Good morning, guys. It's already 3:17. Yeah, I had my coffee, already took a shower, and we are going to Salamander Bay. We're going to Kmart, and this is how it is at the moment. It is like a foggy. Yeah, we can't really see the other side, the other islands, and the water is very calm. Yeah, full of clouds. Yeah, the temperature is just right, not very cold, not humid, so it's good to bike around this time. bilis ng puso mo. Handa na akong hamulin ang aking mundo, pagkat tuloy pa rin. We are going to have a breakfast. Also, I'm going to buy something for my bike packing later on. Good morning. There are many flowers in there. Looks like a kind of water lily. And there are some birds, aquatic birds. You know, here in Australia, most of the department store and supermarket, they open really early, from 7 o'clock. Even the department store like Kmart, they open as early as that. Yeah, I heard from some people, some of my friends, that Kmart actually is open 24-hour in some city. It is now 9:52 in the morning. Okay, we'll just be walking. And if you don't know, this one is the return and earn. If you have a bottle of water, or a tin can, or soft drinks can, or alcoholic beverage can, you can drop in here, and every bottle will give you back 10 cents. Oh, look at that, there is one bike here. It is also electric bike. Nice, cute. Yeah, and we go inside. And we are now here in Aldi. Whoa, look at this. This is palm olive at 4 pieces. It is just $1.99. Oh, I took this protein bar. This is just $1 something, I forgot. We're also going to take one of this rice. This is just $2.89. 1 kilo. Oh, I'm going to take it. This lightning and USB-C, $8. Actually $8.50. I am also going to take this one, socks, just $6. I am going to take one of this front aluminum light, $20. Yeah, USB. This one is $7, but it is powered by AAA battery. Okay, we're done with Kmart and Aldi's, and yeah, that's the usual place where I go. And do you know that this is $11? Yeah, it's small, expensive, right? From here, I will have a cup of coffee from here with 2 pieces of this kind of donut. Oh, look at this. They have so many salads in here, but I believe there's none of them that tastes like the Filipino taste. I don't know. And we are now here in this park. I don't know the name exactly. Yeah, but we are now here. You know this place, you've seen this before, but the difference is that today it is high tide. Yeah, the water is actually reaching this grass. Yeah, usually the water is really far. Yeah, we're just going to sit here, have this cup of coffee and donut. And at the moment there are 2 ladies in there. I'll be happy if they approach me. I wish. Oh, this actually is just $5.50. This is like a combo coffee. This kind of donuts, you can actually buy this from Walmart. 1 dozen, just $3. Here, let me show you the things that I bought from the grocery. Actually from so I bought this bungee cord. I'm going to use this to hold my bag. Yeah, this 6 pieces. Also got this USB-C and lightning. Also this one, tube repair kit. So basically when my bike got punctured, I will be using this one. I also got this USB rechargeable bike light. I also got this protection from the heat of the sun, and a piece of socks. Also some instant noodles, and this protein bars, and 1 kilo of rice.